how to remove the background of any image using the Canva Pro. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of any image in your Canva application. So before I start the video, let me make it very clear that this is a pro feature and it requires that you are an active subscriber of the Canva Pro or the Canva Premium. So if you have get your pre-Canva Pro or Canva Premium membership, then let me show you how you can remove the background from any image. So in order to do that, let me quickly add any random image or a stock image into my Canva design right here. So to do that, I'm going to click onto this Elements tab, and from here, let me choose this image right here. So as here you can see, this is the image on which we will be removing the background of. So what you will need to do is simply click onto this image and this toolbar will appear at the top. And now from this toolbar, you can see this option that says BG Remover. And this crown icon over to this button means that this is a premium option and you will require Canva Pro or Canva Premium subscription in order to use the background remover. So simply click onto this background remover and here you can see that the background has been successfully removed from this particular image. Also, if there are another images, so let me search for more images like these and I will show you other methods in order to do the same. So for example, let's say this particular image right here and now this is our image and I will show you how you can remove background from this via a different method, but the approach is still the same. So for this method, you will click onto the edit tab and under the edit, you can see the Magic Studio. And under the Magic Studio, you have this option of BG remover. So simply click onto this BG remover and it will do the same exact thing and it will remove the background from this image as well. So that's how easily you can remove the backgrounds from any image in your Canva Pro application. So that's all for this tutorial. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such helpful and exciting video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.